Look at me. Stay in the middle.
You hear it? You hear the water moving? You hear it?
I do. It's coming from there.
Yep, we're gonna go over there.
Ta-da! Very warm. Alright, let's go. We're gonna go there.
Look at me.
Look at you. Now look at me. Look at you. Now look at me.
Easy view. Hard view.
Why is it hard view?
127 steps provide a view of the waterfall.
Okay, let's go this way.
What does it say?
Be smart. Stay 6 feet apart.
Here, have this.
Okay.
And let them come up first.
Okay.
Yeah, come up. Oh, what hell is this? Ah, this is the point.
Ui. How am I gonna?
No water. There's nothing there.
Oh, well, that's the view.
This is better here. Step on right here.
You want to go over or go back? Can you see my mask?
No.
Do you think you can see it?
I think so. I hope so. Am I in it?
Yeah. Feels like raining, but it's actually the water from down there.
Okay.
Let me get ahead. Whoa. Watch out. So steep. Almost there. Whoa. Go.
Alright.
Alright. Banana. Orange. This is how to eat oranges
Wow, touch it.
in this time. And then just
Alright. I get it. Thank you, baby.
Why are you touching it with your hand again? That's the point of doing that. Right?
Thank you, Bob and Dodie Sandy.
Thank you.
Congratulations on your 6th
wedding
anniversary.
anniversary. How far? It's not too far, right? Ooh! This is a tiny waterfall. Wow!
Want to do time up there?
Oh my god, this is amazing!
Very nice.
So sad.
Wonder if you spent the winter all alone, yeah. Cause I don't please fall. I don't please fall.
Yeah. See, had to ask a question if you happy, girl. I'll change your mind anytime in this happy world. Let's go and kick it, you and me, and see what love unfurls. Cause girl, I bet you love some tugging on them lovely curls. Hold up, a week up after that, believe we started dating. My heart was racing, but never felt my time was wasting. My mind was chasing, ain't no debating. I'm feeling you, and trying to get together, figure out what to do. Even after some disasters, we were making it work. But never did I ever think that you would do in the dirt. Stay cute while you smile in your brand new skirt. Just happy that we've been together and we never get hurt. So say, girl, why you kick it with them guys all dumb? If you ever got some worries when with me all done, change the picture that you paint until the paint all gone. Cause I'm just falling for the artist like your name Autumn. Like,
Wonder if you spent the winter all alone, yeah. Cause I don't please fall. I don't please fall. Stuck in the cold cause there's nothing left to hold, yeah. Cause I don't please fall. I don't please fall. Yeah, if you knew